Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Assembly for Year 1 and 2, the 30th of November 2020. It's Mr. Kerbal, and I am so proud of all of you in Key Stage 1 at Grange Primary School. You know what we're aiming for. We want everybody to be caring, and we want everybody to be trying their best, and we want everybody to be learning, especially from their mistakes. And we want everybody to always be trying to improve and make progress. We want everybody to use their time in school to help them to learn so they can make good choices in their lives. And we want everybody to not give up and keep going. So how are we going to be strong so we can live our best life? We know there's physical strength. That's the strength in our body. If we have to move something heavy, then we need our physical strength, but our character strength, the strength that's inside us, that's the best who we are, that can help us to overcome any challenge, and it helps us to solve any problem that we face. And that's why we always say character strength, that's the important one, helps us to solve our problems. And if you're faced with a problem, you just say, which character strength will I use? We learned about the virtues, and the virtues are good things. And we learned about the virtue of wisdom. Remember the deep thinking, not just being clever, but like really thinking deeply. Courage, so that you live your life and you're not scared of things, and you decide to really live and do good things. Transcendence is the way that sometimes we can live in a way that helps us to get to a higher level. And temperance is we live in a way that helps us to find balance. We don't get overexcited or underexcited or too hot or too cold. We just find balance in life. And today I wanted to speak about the virtue of courage. And that's the good quality, the good thing that is courage, which helps us to live life even when we're a bit scared. And we learned about a character strength in the virtue of courage, and that was called bravery. And that was if we had to do something, we had a task to do, but maybe we were a bit scared because we thought, what if I make a mistake? What if I do something in the task and I look silly? And maybe I'm not clever enough to do this task. Well, that's when you reach into yourself and you use your character strength of bravery and you say, I am going to tackle this task. I am going to have a go because I am brave, and you go for your task. That is the character strength of bravery. Now, today, we are learning another character strength, and that is the character strength of honesty. And sometimes people get really scared because they actually do start the task. They are brave and they start the task, but then something goes horribly wrong. They make a mistake and they feel straight away, they feel really scared. Oh, what am I going to do? I've made a terrible mistake. And that's when you need the character strength of honesty. In the summer holidays, I got such a wonderful present from the governors of Grange. They bought me this wonderful present, and it's a book called The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse. And in it, it's got all these characters, and the boy asks the mole, he says, what do you think is the biggest waste of time? And you know what the mole answers? What he thinks the biggest waste of time is? The biggest waste of time is comparing yourself to others, said the mole. So sometimes we make a mistake and then we think, oh, but that other person never makes any mistakes. That other person always gets all the answers right. That other person is so clever. What's wrong with me? And we get like all upset and worried, and we think, why am I always the one who's making mistakes and doing bad stuff? But actually, said the mole, that is a waste of time, because being honest is always interesting. Because it's okay to make a mistake. If we learn from our mistake, it's also okay to say, this is who I am. Because actually, there's nobody who can be as good at being you as you. You are the best one, the best person to be yourself. So, remember this little character, and we always use it because we're saying, imagine he's got a problem or she's got a problem. And how are they going to solve this problem? Well, they are going to use their character strength. So what problem does honesty solve? Well, honesty solves when you make a mistake and you suddenly are so embarrassed, or you're suddenly so upset with yourself, or you're suddenly so angry, or you're all mixed up. The thing is, if we use honesty, we can actually say the words. If we made a mistake, we hurt somebody's feelings, we can go to that person and say, I'm so sorry, I made a mistake, I want to do better, I'm sorry, I'd like to start again, do you forgive me? And you can learn from that mistake. Maybe we make a mistake and we realize, actually, I don't like this, but I like that. And then you know what you like and you know what's good for yourself. So honesty can always help you. If you really think and you think honestly, it can help you to make the best decisions for yourself. So here are 3 powerful honesty actions that we can really, really think about. So the first thing is, let's say you make a mistake. Now, a lot of us, as soon as we make a mistake, we get like really embarrassed. Sometimes we want to run away. Sometimes we want to start like pretending that it wasn't us. Sometimes we even in our heads, we want to lie and we want to say, no, that wasn't me, that wasn't me, that wasn't me. But the first thing you can do, if you want to be honest, just pause, take your time. Don't try and answer straight away. The second thing is we can think, what is the best thing for me to do? Made a mistake or something difficult has happened over here. What should I do? And you don't think what anybody else would do. You think, what is the best thing for me to do? And you really think about what is the best way for you to move forward. And then you own your decision. You say, it's okay, it's me, because we will get through everything with character strength. So pause, think, and own your decision. And we can get through anything, and we actually grow from our mistakes. So that's the Grange CC way. We are confident and we consider it. And confidence means we are honest. If we made a mistake, we're honest with ourselves and we're honest with other people. We learn from it and we grow from it. And we consider it, we are kind. If somebody else made a mistake as well, we help them. And that's confidence and consideration. That's our Grange philosophy for life. Now, there have been amazing, so many stars of the week last week. Absolutely amazing. So gold goes to Dylan, to Millie, to Yusuf, to Bathanan, to Daris, to Fadl, to Riley, to Rada, to Riyad, to Hassan M., to Tommy, Dennis, Zion, Mira, Aram, to Karutika, Mispa, Abbas, Aya, Nicole, Soain, Justina, Malaika, Satyan, Maruna, Rashid. Well done. All of these people got golds. So proud of you. Well done. And the House of Water with 3,221 points. Now these are all CC champions. Sarah G, Rada, Daisy, Hassan, Alessia, Reese, Kainat, Safia, Zain, Daniel, and Sadia. Well done. Grange House of Fire. You got 2,783 points. And look at all the CC champions here. Kush, Riyad, Anaya, Mustaqim, Alma, Sophia G, Hanin, and Maruna. And look at the Grange House of Air. You got 2,912 points. Ruviana, Ayman, Shreyas, Saja, Ubaid, Malaika. Well done. Grange House of Earth. 3,300 points. Rashid, Izan, Rokia, Narissa, Sawain, Justina, and Satyan. Fantastic work. So our whole Grange community got 12,216 points, which is brilliant. And who are my classy classes? Well, Rumi class, well done. You improved from last week, 328 points. Malala class improved from last week, 404 points. But once again, the classy class, you're amazing champions. Picasso class with 562 points. Fantastic. Autumn 1, we got 47,561 points, and we're going for 50,000 points before Christmas. And so far, we have 44,270 points. So we need less than 6,000 points to bring real live reindeer to visit Grange Primary School. Last half term, Freddie came as a reward for everybody for working so hard, getting so many CC points and just being brilliant and doing the right thing and making great choices. And this half term, we are almost there, and we are going to bring real live reindeer to Grange for Christmas. So keep it up, everybody. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.